Today it's about 1 a.m. in the morning, and I'm actually going to start on the intake manifold here. So now we have pretty much almost ready to go. Yeah, it's like no problems to take the intake off V12. No problems at all. No problems. Yeah. All right. 4 stripped rounded off bolts. This is one of them. I took it out. This is how I got it out. This is one of them. This is another one. Here's another one. Where's the fourth one? I'm not crazy. If I would like, there's another one somewhere. Whatever. Four strip bolts rounded off. The head's done. Nothing. Nada. Zilch. Anything. Nothing. It's just like ridiculous. So some other ones are like okay, but I would ideally. Where is that last one? Where's the fourth one? Whatever it is. I mean, oh, here it is. Probably it's that one right there. Yeah. This one actually was easy. Just like one tap. But 4 stripped rounded off bolts. So ideally you want to put all new bolts on it. And also the flanges, they seem to be replaced, but they were over tightened. I also have some injectors that got stuck in there, so that is something weird because usually they all come out as one piece, but those two got stuck inside. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this intake off. Before I'm gonna take it up, I have to take out PCV hoses on both sides, on the bottom here, one and one, and on the other side. So I'm gonna do this now, and God knows how long. I mean, God knows what time it is right now. It's like really late at night, but I really want to get this intake off. I want to take it out, and then it's just like no question. Now all the bolts except for those two, there was one somewhere over here. As you can still see some damages out there because I have to take it out, and somewhere over here. So it's not like, you know, very smart people will say, well, you know, you put the star socket and, you know, like star socket like this, right? Yeah, star socket, like I never thought of it. Of course, star socket, and yeah, you know, you take them out, no problems. But my 6mm, where's my 6mm? Here's my 6mm. This is grinded off. This is nice. I grind it all the time just to make sure it's 6mm and not 5.75. So before I do this kind of jobs, make sure I do what I have to do, because I don't want to be in the position where I am right now. Okay, finally I got the intake off. You know, like these, I mean, most of my cars, they're like virgin cars, and they're never been worked on. And this is like the car that's been worked on, so there's like different things, and it's like EGR holes over there. They had some different bolt, and I was trying to take it off, and it's like, if I don't, it's supposed to be 10 mil, and it's not. It's like 5 hex. I don't know, whatever. So now let's take a look what we have here. Flanges are aluminum. This is a good thing. So these are updates, and obviously we see a rupture over here, Let me try to go over. Of course, my display went blank, but let's see. Rupture over here. This one is decent. Rupture over here. Rupture over here. This is okay, more or less. This one is overstretched, a little bit of damage. This one seems to be okay. Rupture over here, and the fronts more or less are alive. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm obviously changing seals, and before I'm gonna touch anything, I'm going to vacuum it. I'm gonna have a vacuum cleaner right here, so I'm going to vacuum everything that I see with this, and then I'm going to take out flanges because I still need to change the seal underneath. So we got the flanges off, and then this is what we see. This is insane. Obviously the PCV pipe is totally destroyed, but not only that the PCV pipe is destroyed, but we have oxygen, not oxygen. It's like 5 a.m. in the morning. We have knock sensors totally eaten up. That's the one of them. I have like, I don't know, some aluminum foil, lots of crap in there, whatever. And the next one, I don't know if I can show you that one. And as you can see, this one is totally eaten up, non-existent. I'm rough enough for tonight. I mean, I'm just like barely standing because I've done a lot of work before, and now it's like probably like 5 or 6 a.m. in the morning. I don't know, 5:30 in the morning. So I put some tape over, and I put some flanges back in there. So let's just drop all these things back in there. Let them just sit there. It doesn't matter at this point because I have new seals. This is the pipe that's supposed to be in the middle, but we have problems with knock sensors, so that is something to be taken care of. And that's the old pipe for the weight. That's it. That's it. I'm done with this. I have to wrap up. I have to put on or put away all my tools. There's lots of stuff, and tomorrow when I wake up, I'll think about oxygen sensors. I mean, why am I saying this? Knock sensors. So I'll think about knock sensors because the passenger sides, those are okay. Driver side, they're dead. They're like eaten up. It's just like totally chewed up. They're not even existing anymore.